AI provider has been added towards the platform, which is called XAI. And this is the AI platform that is managed by Elon Musk, which is also meant as Grok. In order to integrate with it, you can go towards the integrations tab, then go towards artificial intelligence and go towards XAI. From here, you can sign up either with an account, and if you already have one, just insert the key, press save, and you should get the verified status. Once you've done this step, you can go inside the flow builder and build your AI automations with XAI. You can do so by inserting an action node. From this action node, you can go with integrations, and here you will find XAI. Under the edit actions, you have the option to list all models. So if we're going to take a look, it will play back all the models that you currently can use. So we have Grok 2, we have Grok 2 Vision, we have Grok Beta, and we also have Grok Vision Beta. And you can basically map out any model towards your own preference. You can also go with the action create chat completion. From this chat completion, you will be able to, similar towards OpenAI chat completions, have a system message where you insert your system message. So let's do a really simple one for now. And from here, we can go with a last message text input, for example, which will always contain the last text input from the user. And let's give it a test value like something like this. You can also choose to remember the history. So if you have follow-up questions or follow-up conversation with the user, then you're able to set the history to yes, so the AI has more context on the proper follow-up. You can also use functions if you have them inserted inside the native integration. Here you can go with models. So from the models list, you can use a model here. You can choose your maximum number of tokens, the temperature, which for me, the sweet spot is 0.4, not 1.4. And the rest I will leave as default. If we're going to test this request, then you will see you will get a similar result back where you can go with the AI reply, which you will find on the choices, message, and then content. From here, you can map it towards your own liking. For me, I have a custom field called AI response. Press add, and then you will be able to use this response from the AI in the next step. If you like to, you can also map any of the other sections towards your own liking. If you press save, we can map the AI response in a text node or a question node, wherever you prefer, and then just use that variable name in order to send the reply that has been generated by XAI towards the user. This is the way that you can use XAI as an AI provider inside of your chatbots.